Welcome, problem solving fans, to another problem of the day. And this one is all about Jill and her strip of paper. She cuts off half of the strip of paper. Well, we've not got a nice convenient strip here that's almost like a bar model that we can actually start using to answer this question. So let's cut it in half. So there goes a half. Okay, and she throws it away. She then cuts off a third of the remaining strip. So if we scribble out this half of the bar to show that we're throwing it away, and then split the remaining half into thirds and throw away another third, so this third here is being thrown away, then these two pieces at the end must be the bit that's left. Now it does say the length of the strip left is 18, so the bit that's left must be worth 18. But we've actually got two pieces here, so that means that it must be 9 in each piece. But what we need to do now is think about the entire bar at the start. Well, if it's 9 in each piece, then this piece is the same size, and that is 9. But don't forget that these 3 9s are on half of the bar. So the other half would also contain 3 9s. So the entire bar is now, the original bar would now have been split into 6 pieces, with each piece being worth 9. So that would be 6 lots of 9, which is 54 centimetres. So the entire bar must have been worth 54 centimetres at the start. And that is our final answer. What was the length of the strip at the start? The answer is 54 centimetres, because it's 6 lots of 9. Let's just run through it again. So we cut off half the strip and throw it away. We then cut off a third, but that's going to mean 2 pieces left at the end. And those 2 pieces are worth 18, which means they're both worth 9 each. So all the other pieces, which there would be another 4 in the rest of the bar, are also worth 9, making 6 9s altogether, and 6 9s are 54. So the final answer is 54.